Hostinger VPS hosting discount, saving you money on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase? Then this Hostinger VPS hosting discount video is for you. In this Hostinger VPS coupon code tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save even more money than you see being listed here, so you don't have to pay a higher price for your Hostinger VPS hosting. To take advantage of the Hostinger coupon code, click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Hostinger VPS hosting discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. May not receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger VPS hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger VPS hosting plans. You get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code I've included next to the link in the description. You'll see the 4 different Hostinger VPS hosting plans listed: the KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8 plan. Now I want to go over how to save even more money than the discounted amount you see being listed here. Select the plan you'd like to go with. Click the Choose Plan button on the plan you want. For this tutorial, I'll choose the KVM1 plan. The discount will work on any of the Hostinger VPS hosting plans. Now let's save even more money than what we see being listed here. You'll see that you have a coupon code. Click this. Enter the Hostinger coupon code I've included with the link in the description. You'll see the additional amount we will be saving. In the period section, you can change the term you'd like to go with. You'll save the most money with the 24-month term. I'll change it to the 12-month term, and you'll see the discount we will now be saving on our Hostinger VPS hosting purchase. Enjoy your Hostinger VPS hosting coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.